What is SOFR? The Secured Overnight Financing Rate, or SOFR, is a broad measure of the cost of borrowing cash overnight collateralized by US Treasury securities. Published by the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, it replaced LIBOR as the primary USD benchmark rate following the LIBOR manipulation scandal. SOFR is considered more robust because it is based on actual transaction data from the repo market. SOFR replaced LIBOR as the main reference rate. It measures what it costs banks to borrow cash overnight using US government bonds as collateral. Why it matters. First, it replaced LIBOR as the primary USD benchmark rate. Second, it is based on real transactions, making it more manipulation resistant. And third, it underpins trillions of dollars in financial contracts. Thanks for watching. Visit finglo.app to learn more.